Hello and welcome to my look at Tradeview Forex. Tradeview is a broker that allows trading of Forex, stocks, futures, all kinds of markets, really. It's not CFDs for the futures and the stocks, so it's actual financial instruments, so keep that in mind. That being the case, when you look at this, it is Cayman Islands based and regulated by the Cayman Islands authorities, or the Cayman Islands Monetary Authority, to be more precise. Pretty decent spreads, as you can see, listed in real time on their site. Even crypto is amazingly tight. This is probably the best spread I've ever seen on Bitcoin. Indices, not bad, 2.08. I'm actually recording this during Japanese trading, so that's a pretty decent spread there. And then commodities. Now, you also have the ability to trade stocks and futures if you go to Tradeview Stocks, so keep that in mind. Now, this is the CFD environment, but you have the real thing over here. The site does have a lot of extras in the realm of like a newsletter. There is a TV channel of sorts. Really, at this point, though, it's straightforward trading. It gives you the ability to trade MetaTrader 4 or 5, CTrader, Current X. So that's nice too if you are looking for various platforms. Now, with that in mind, when we take a look a little deeper into this, you can see accounts. Accounts are pretty straightforward. You've got corporate, individual, joint accounts. Innovative liquidity connector is what they call it. It's basically an ECN. Commissions, $250 aside. It was a $25,000 deposit. As I record this, it says $1,000 until June 30th. Hard to tell. 100 different instruments. $100 for a normal leveraged account. Leverage is up to 1 to 400, 1 to 100 in the ECN. You'll see that's typically the case in ECNs. They do tend to have a little less in the way of leverage. Again, mobile trading for all of those. You can see that the server is located in London at Equinix LD4. For those of you who know anything about the server world, Equinix is one that's pretty well respected. You can also have them in New York and I think Hong Kong, a couple other cities, but they're one of the bigger ones. They have trading tools, so they have software. That's your trading platform. Institutional service, pivots, calculator, Forex resources. Basic kind of glossary deal here. So, and it'll go into videos and CFD trading, that type of thing. Pretty decent section. I don't know if I would call it completely all-encompassing, but it's at least there. Rhino Report is like an economic magazine that they put out online. So, you can see like contract specifications. You can go there and you can see everything that they offer. So for Forex here, the metals, gold, silver, and dollar, and gold and euro. This would be more exotics, dollar, real, which is one thing that I do like about the broker. Korean won, Philippine peso. Gives you the ability to trade some currency pairs that most don't. Crypto, of course, the 4 majors, with Bitcoin also in Japanese yen. Indices, handful of the major ones, and then, of course, commodities, the crude oils and nat gas markets. And again, if you want to trade actual futures, you can go over to the stocks, and then you start to trade stocks, equities, options, and the futures. So, plenty of things to get involved with as far as trading is concerned, to give you the world, so to speak. If you want to open up an account, you can just click on, most people are going to click on individual account, and it'll bring this up. And then so like an account funding, you can see credit card, bank wire, a ton of credit cards, bank wires, and alternate, you can BitPay, StickPay, FastPay, TransferMate, Add Cash. So just a million places to put your money into the account. So it's pretty straightforward. Like I said, regulating the Cayman Islands, been around since 2004. Pretty well trusted. You shouldn't have any issues with this broker at all, and plenty of markets. So I encourage you to check them out.